I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Nothing works. Right, so I just want you like really cool, nonchalant, gonna give a and then when the camera says, you go like, who says overexposure is not nice?
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right.
Who says overexposure is not nice? Hit it, Andrew.
I'm gonna make it look like one of those old Fuji film look. So I'm gonna hit onto the Kelvin and increase the green look to this. Okay, give me another pose. That's nice, stay there. That's nice, stay there, don't move. After I took this shot, don't move. Look in front, chin higher, smile. Whoa, this is like really overexposed. This flash is not hitting her the right way. Stay there. Okay. We're gonna redo the pose here. Whoa, this is awesome. Viewers, if I ever do not reply to your comment because I've always been so busy, shoots after shoots, and then I have to deal with the editing, I've got classes to teach, but I truly appreciate what you write. And sometimes when I want to get down to typing in, I'm like so tired, you know, I'll do this tomorrow, I'll do this on bed, and never end up doing it. And Jolie,
I will reply.
You will reply?
Yeah.
Right, cool.
On behalf of Andrew.
Okay, so I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna reply all those parts that say, "Oh, she was awesome," right? She's just gonna reply to her part. "Oh, thanks. I love you loving me." You know, the other guy that's been teaching, I don't know him. You know. Oh, if we fall down, it's a dead fall. No, I'm kidding. Do you think you can sit up there?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think you'll be able to get up there?
Yeah.
You're shorter than me. I can't even get up. Oh, you're smarter than me then. You're shorter than me, but
I'm taller than
smarter.
you.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
She's taller.
How can she be taller? I could see you balding
I can
there.
see your balding head.
I can't work with her. Whoa, I like this. 1, 2. Oh, this is awesome. Don't change because it can get nicer. Beautiful. Wow, this is really awesome. That's nice. Stay there. Don't smile too much. Beautiful. What the f? No, not. I don't know what to say though. Whatever that can go wrong has gone wrong. Do that pose one more time. I didn't get it because the flash didn't go off. Chin higher. I didn't get that shot. The flash just didn't want to work. Turn that, chin up. I'm gonna go back and get myself a ton of good flash. If you are a flash manufacturer with triggers like this, which is awesome, I'm the guy to work with. Help me. This is an amazing model standing there. Look at the pictures that we get. But when the doesn't work, what kind of photos can we shoot, right? We get shots like this. Jolie, aren't we wasting time? Let's see whether it works or not.
Same thing.
Same thing. All right, chin up. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Nothing works. Okay. 1/8. Right, that's nice, that's nice. Whoa, not too bad, ke. I smile though.
Hi guys, I'm Jolie. Thanks for watching today's episode even though this stupid flash did not work. But it's fine because we still got great pictures. And if you guys want to see me again and you guys like my modeling, make sure to like today's video because I want to see you guys again as well. And make sure to subscribe to Beyond Photography to help that guy out. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure to check out Andrew's e-learning. Bye!